What up, y'all? Quick before we get started, this is not a tutorial, but if you want to see a tutorial of how I made this, please let me know in the comments. If there's enough people in the comments that let me know that they really want to see this tutorial, I will feel compelled to make it, and I'll give it a try even though I'm not really good at making videos, but just to pass on the knowledge. And another thing, if you guys do like this video or the other video I made about hacking these Ikea lamps with LEDs, please also let me know in the comments and I might keep them coming. As far as the likes go, I'm not monetized. I don't give a shit. Let me know in the comments. Let's get the video. What up, y'all? It's been a while, long ass while, but I'm back here with another lamp, making another little Ikea hack. This one today is the Majorna. So we could see here, starting with 2 meters of the addressable LED strip, one on each side. Oh, let me get around this side here a little bit, you can see that. Come up over the other side. All right. When we get down here into the bottom, so I'll show you better a little bit how it's wired. I got my microcontroller there, controlling the colors. So if I flash that, I can change the pattern of these LED strips. So let's see what we did here. So I started with a Roku power supply because I don't use my Roku anymore. And it's 5 volts, just like these LED strips need. And it's 1 amp, which is enough power for these LED strips. I got 2 meters here. So if we move in a little bit closer, we can see here's my Arduino Nano microcontroller. I just put some electrical tape over my soldering joints. Right under here is where I soldered the power with this yellow one, and these right under here is where I have it in pins 10 and 12, one for each LED strip. So if in the future I want to have these be different colors, one half of the lamp be one color, the other half be the other color, I could do that, or different patterns or whatever. So they're not hooked into the same pin. And then we just have the power supply coming in here. These 2 ugly little tape joints are 4 wires that I had to solder together. Have to do power for each LED strip. You can maybe see my gross soldering right there. So we had 1 power for each LED strip and 1 power cord for the Arduino Nano. So that's why this big fat joint here, and all of this can tuck under the lamp. You can see this lamp, you could still put the Ikea LED in there, LED light, so you could use it as a regular lamp as well. I have this microcontroller just poking out the bottom so I can make changes to it. Otherwise I would tuck it in here a little bit more nicely. So we'll just turn the light off. See how it kind of dances a little bit. Oh yeah. Let's get the cover on her. Check out, that looks. Bam, cover on. You can see that looking real nice. Let's get over to the side here. You can't really see the LEDs straight through there, which is nice. We have that inner diffusion tube and then the outer one. So if we take a look over in the top here, it's gonna be a pain to probably get focused, but you can see here. This looks pretty cool. So we back it up. So this is the Ikea Majorna, and that is $30. I just picked it up for 30 bucks. We also have 2 meters of the 30 LED per meter addressable RGB light strip I got on Amazon. I could put all these links in the description. That was $10 for the amount that I used for 2 meters. Then we have the Arduino Nano microcontroller. That is, you get those for 5 bucks or less. And then we have the Roku power adapter, which you can get those at a thrift store for $1. You can find them online for pretty cheap. But so all together, then this lamp is, what was it, 45 bucks, 50 bucks. If anybody's interested, I'll try to be more responsive in this video. Hit me up. Let me know. You want to buy one from me? Shit, let me know. All right, peace.